Anyway, I'm going to go about TV so brass see the big agenda you made bro na nwumre yi yedi nkomo afa ekwan a ye fa so fa nipa gura ya ho bambo nyumakuo num being it police Ghana Armed Forces Fire Service Immigration Service any others no nay videos are air trendy pictures air trendy enkoda anase mrantie ne mabawa won bone o maye nyina nso mo wie suku mo padwuma ye wo pese omura security services nim na wo hwe frustrations a won mo namu brene mpenten kwa bia wi ahye omo mu a edan tuntum anadwo da so mu gina tenten ma de eche ne nkeka no odene anye bia the way forward na say ya na be no because over the years no come say recruitment process no akwakwa bibia wo ho enso obi anya na dwen so ote nani ahwe ana se wo ka ho asem na yene mpedefo bi bedi nkomo na ya hwe na even the level amount for apply for the small spaces what various security agencies no eno no enye threat to national security ana ibenya to wase ne BPM medi na say ampo for we a big agenda simadua say di enemy yedi nkomo Yamu akwa babie mu dia ba big agenda so enne anwumre na se de kan ne nkomo a yedie ne ye hwe recruitment process a yede efa nipa ewo police soldier immigration fire service prisons enne ho keka ho akame ya say wo wa adwen se obedi police ana obedi soldier ana se obekọ eye fire service enom ne ho keka ho no a se wuni adaje eni eden ene wedi a sebe every se obefa de hye ne de ya ene de mu odin mu a ene agi so yi wani na de ba ko wo mu ne se adwuma nkasa wo mamu asem no akwakoye den until you have university graduates SSS graduates any other people la ankomo wo pepa se genuinely on be say omo security officers go kuremu or go through the process of buying forms. I no cry na man for as we speak. A debate is a dent no be person obe serve police service mu military mu and fire service and answer dia okotto form. Ma buy genius can say no man sa kwanya no. E de nti anti uni sika na wa komapa wo the requisite bia nneoma e betima mu edi saa officer na sika nti uni a untimi nkwa na. Ba de enko Kumase na yeni nkomo kakra bi videos bi are trending from Enra a free Kumase Baba Yara Sports Stadium ho na Ashanti region wo baby omo ye body check ne documents no omo check omo apply for immigration a je say ye select your man na say omo qualified per kwan mo fa so ye application no de course wo ho no Erasus ahoma no so de omo emu kakra ansa ne de nkomo na aka na to so Erasus mema adwomo akwa baba big agenda so
beda nana
aponu boko de
Yankopon Daroma, ye hoye.
Oda so Baba Yara Sports Stadium na ne de ho adwo.
Na de e free no eba no na edom no eso ti. Nipa na da so go ho de but edom no so ti e free enene na nsa so de toto ho a na edom a egu ho no empempem mu asam ne ye ka enye sebe wo ha empempem na awia kataban ya boy na se ebo a wa we ya bejira wa ma o na ntira paye eno bi do mu gira so na ye bie gate no kakra ahurika amerika o mu de betuo se na be ya benya mu awura na binum tietia bi so binum otetefe e bi fenti no mi ade eno na san de na nya asem ketwa na so e free eno e ba no empanyifo ye ne se process no e wo so mo ma ne content Edinti osha na empen a obi begina ho ewo one stage to another no next what inti ama nipa no next what but still an oha edomo egu Heroes Park ne ntwea so e call the dish side ho afi opa main gate e ho no so a ohwe domo a egu still arese nipa omo pe immigration adwuma awa santemantam omo do so yi pa
Erasus questions are ye bisa ye ho ebi wa ha mennyimi se obi a wo grounds bi a wanya ho access bi a say are we serious as a country nti empenifo wo mahunu wono mate na wo mahwe de ekoso yi se obi be na adwen se ye recruit no ana so be pese obekọ immigration sisi the immigration for the na ekan na per information on space e for nipa ye fa om endu 2000 po and asema o can say nipa over 10,000 instead then na ye be subject enkoda youth sebe ombo ne omaya ne so mo padwuma ye to sa frustration nyina anye bia mperifo atimi amomate ase die ntina omo fa nipa kakra bi omo nipa two abegu ye ntimi kura anhyehyɛ days no e bia 2 weeks 1 month ye fanya screening no no mo abegu ho no mo bresa no mo bisa mperifo question bi
ya busa empanifo na mi akasa no first day am copy ho no me hwɛ sania ebinum tebia etie ababa ba ko a almost na tenten enru ne omo penti ya mana tranche na hwe sun a na wo sun na areho efise ebinum wo ha omo fifa chichiri pa obi wo ho beda stadium ho obi wo fa wo hwe na tebia no a wo tun se sika sabe obedi no besa na wo che no odi afaka odi atofom afelia wa be pi ho eti ade bia na asefem na wo hwe sane a omo etumrika on ebi tie wiafo ewiase no a ebi de toma asafom eno motete so obi ko wa bre eno wa chia no ho ato ho no wada so ade bia asefem ne ebusan panfo omo so chese e wo so mo bie kwan ma obi anya akwanya ne bi na oba na obeteste na so hwe na se enya de a eyema wa no ye chense ye be sili se yema obi anya ho kwan so no so ebe ba be try na lock ahwecha anyi bia me qualify na sa me qualify ba ensama dodo na kan se akebetimi aye ni ye a yen chabe yen jisika tudie bia se ne nipa no oso ne ho hwe ya hyehyɛ niam a ye hwehwɛ no ho ohwɛ na so wontimi a ana woni bia na sebe wapɛ ne ba bia fa na wa megina wi akata ba so ana yen chikem se ne ba ya ye invite adeni online etu wo mo data etu ka chom so okay nipa smasi and then more day one more ba time say anytime say no maba day two batch way eba na ka no aboa etene be amafo emejira ho ma bi fenti no ne ade eto ha de sane atia ne dia na say asefem say obi epa adwuma say bi sika no obedie kura edi na o chi ne sika 100 cedis abeto form afeli onim kwa say bi obenya adwuma na na say onya enti obi a be disqualify no bia on say nanim enesa or the aircraft
Erastus meaning say enya Ashanti region kwa na sa process ekoso other regions but say the mo kan numbers na sem na videos aye hu ye from Ashanti region no ano o shipa papa nye bia officers in charge wetimi abi some say in Ashanti region no cra figures na te say nipa do say na mo hwe o manim say sa process o mo do mo fam
nana mebusa question and no say my first question mebusa efisa na me hwe dom no a na me pese me hu say anya bia nipa do say na e be fa o mo a edom sa abebo dom pem ewo baba ya sports stadium question mebusa no panyino ne ansa o de ma me ne se sa ansa no na me pe o de anya de amensa be
wow
na me sa so anka
let's say enipa do na enipa
nim do a ombefa
Eraso say de do no mo be fa to nchen nipa do mo screen o mo origin no so no so antimi amfa ma ho
eno so ma nya sa figure no o say di say o mo eye ne o mo ye no ejina wi a eno mbetimi amaye statistics and data say fa figures no me ade na nya de o mbetimi nya figures amame e o ba bia me gina no nemum ne o mo timi de tuja ene niema almost so at the disqualify will be say wo ye you afri mu no eno e be height no no the disqualify man for pa e de obi wo ha form no be fele no na bia ye say fa baby wo ha ye say fa wo height she wo tentene e gina pen to say na o de ahye ho na bi no ba omo e chere say wo de bibia eye lower and a bar from 1 meter 73 centimeters computer no ma o kwan na yes, room na say wo because a man na so 1 meter 73 centimeters. O your bar so 1 meter 63 centimeters. It wo fill form na near busa so 10 say ah. E bi no nim say bia na me 10 rusa as no de near brusa so say be a computer na be fa no anya kwan aba. and do na bedru ha almost the meter measurement no esusu omo akobe he no let perform chain or the ashakata no so the hold straight away that is the akato say enya dia will qualify kofie and na this soon any other dey eba
all right
they can move him
Erastus Jansoma me o mesa about so na me wo Yera Adib Sani a wo no wo ye security expert na Adib, good evening.
Good evening, Minia.
Upon him to say
yeah, they are so.
Asema say Ghana for do na di ho abobo akofa ye processor ye fa the recruitment into our security agencies. Minim say wodo ani adi e immigration the fire service the any frustration applicants no FM ebi kura so yes say the ye any the ye hunu nipa dom we pa adwuma the national security threat minim ba bia wote no say the wo hu situation no.
Well, the same way the Macau, and it's not rocket science, and yet to say as Mr. Fufo be baby Obianim say lack of jobs pose an existential threat to your Bible Sam Ghana. Remember, if you say if people become criminals, not for anything, but as a means of survival. Even though it's all about the greed, but a lot of people, especially young people, tertiary institutions after school, then in the thousands, almost joining the already existing backlog, and they are thrown into a state of uncertainty. And if some are not able to manage the expectations, that is when you get them becoming all manner of criminals. So it's a big problem. And then Ghana go like all over the world. Unemployment is a major issue, and it poses a major threat, especially in countries where more serious issues with so-called jihadists and militancy. To say the Horn of Africa, any Sahel region, North Africa, all of these places, young people are being recruited to join some militant groups, because the young people feel the state has let them down. Okay, so the Economy there is only a manifestation of what is currently happening on the ground. What Madame Fobi or what degree or see, he is ready to be employed for 300 cedis a month.
Wow.
Obisu or masters or see even me man 500 cedis are obeji. That should tell you the seriousness of the issue. Recently, Nami hear recruitment be Nami per salespersons for my security company. If I told you the number of applications I received, me myself, when I saw the emails, I was shocked. But amidst all of these, as has been rightly observed by Erastus here, the seeming insensitivity and wickedness on the part of some people with respect to our recruitment exercise, it looks like you're so disorganized. You're 21st century, BBI, you're IT based, okay? So, Omube apply, and based on the requirements, you shortlist. Then you give them numbers, okay, maybe at the point of application. So, from this number to number, we move up on Monday from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Then from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., you back up break. From 11 to 1 p.m., this number to that number can come. So, at least, a better orderly, a better organized, and a better thorough. But considering the way up, the people are a better sharp. Oh, who they call? So in the end, you might not recruit the right person. Then him say, those persons lining up, queuing up. About 80 to 90%, they will not get the job. So why do you subject them to such needless, inhumane treatment, Minia?
Is there a way out? You better get things right. In the first place, recruitment nankasa na second place the threat youth employment as you could do level bia I know share too much no contracting your security no.
So okay. I starting with youth unemployment, me were two major issues. Okay, one, the educational system, okay, For example, who call school, who political science, me political science. In the end, later, I ended up being an accountant. So I said, so disorganized because theoretical and prepare, especially young people, for the job market. So that is a problem. So, practical, vocational, technical education, young focus your attention on them. At the same time, young educated parents to get them to understand, say, success in life, and yet doctor, any lawyer, it's success in life. Sometimes, sometimes I feel that, hey, Anka, from the very early stage, my papa, he made me a carpenter. Hey, Anka, and multinational furniture shop, and Bibisa, okay? But unfortunately, we feel that once or your technical education or your failure in life, who are other jurisdictions you are the best, or you are the most sought after. Secondly, that your vice president, or see, the private sector is the engine of growth. Okay? Unfortunately, private sector, no money, the attention it deserves to the extent to say, according to figures, okay, 90% of small and medium scale enterprises, they fail. They crash. They go bankrupt, perhaps, before their first anniversary, because they are creating an enabling environment, Okay, so Anka, the private sector would have been able to absorb a lot of these youth. Unfortunately, you focus your attention on government interventions. Say, youth in road maintenance model of the NYEP, any JADA, any assembly. But usually, some models, it ends up in corrupt practices. Okay, for example, intervention that is meant to be for only graduates, okay? The next minute, women's organizer at the constituency level, supporters, party supporters, taxi drivers, church rummers, so it defeats the purpose. But Anka, you create an enabling environment for the private sector to thrive. You encourage innovation. But generally, recruitment exercise way, Anka, they would have been able to do it in a much more orderly fashion. And your rocket science, okay? And online, which may apply more requirements are based on some requirements. You would shortlist and call those you are interested in. You don't make people queue up kilometers, aren't you? I mean, all right. Let's be honest with ourselves.
Adib Sani,
it's not fair.
Adib, my now was your brother, Engineer Dinkomo. Adib Sani, security analyst, and out to see any Edi and Comono. Ma yanka way clear, Nampany Fontias. Say, the Adrian and Nabia, you be trying to chana. Ya and to talk and she send you me ya, Debbie. As I want to tell you, and Bonyama, your friend, the watching Yamuasa. Adia Koswa, a hard Jane, Yenitria, National Service Secretariat. You showed you more over the years. At first, service personnel you go kiwa and no device strategy and sa line and frustration be everywhere. It means you be being free no mu. Na yen fan share system no yi. So kwa ko police here no na we kura no protocol list ni hwan man na machiri kura na mai. And omo penny genuinely no hwe ni omo nam mu. Anso ni pasai ni e fa wo mu. Yamiani na ho se oman na yetitimu se ya ade a be den se be ko ene midi na na se yampofo gei na se nkoma production team no Kofi Asan logo su na afi McBride si ohene Pamela no mu nyina etachiri yami admo chine be se hia